Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today is 29th of November 2020 and in this video we are going to see all the important current affairs from 29th of November 2020. Our first question is, who was known as the father of Indian IT industry? Answer is option number 2, F.C. Kohli. Look into the image. This is F.C. Kohli and his full name is Fakir Chand Kohli and he is considered as the father of Indian information technology industry and he has recently passed away at the age of 96. He was the longest serving chief executive of Tata Consultancy Services and is regarded as a pivotal figure who changed the shape of IT services in India and helped turn our country into a hub for the world's IT requirements. Answer will be option number 2, F.C. Kohli. Next, which nation has topped in FIFA ranking list for 2020? Answer is option number 1, Belgium. FIFA is the highest governing body for football all over the world. It was formed on 21st of May 1904. Headquarters is in Zurich. Zurich is in Switzerland. Currently, president is Gianni Infantino, and recently FIFA has released its final ranking list 2020, and this ranking has been topped by Belgium. Belgium is at the first number, France is at the second number, Brazil is at the third number, and England is at the fourth number. Also, India has ranked at 104th number in this ranking. Answer will be option number 1, Belgium. Belgium, look at map. This is Belgium. Capital of Belgium is Brussels. Brussels is the capital of Belgium. Prime Minister is Alexander De Croo and currency of Belgium is Euro. Euro is the currency of Belgium. Next, the government of India has suspended the international commercial passenger flights till dash due to COVID-19 pandemic. Answer is option number 2, 31st December 2020. The government of India has suspended the international commercial passenger flights till 31st of December 2020 due to COVID-19 pandemic. Earlier, the services were suspended till November 13, 2020. Answer will be option number 2. Next question is, 10th National Science Film Festival has been organized under chairmanship of which of the following states recently? Answer is option number 3, Tripura. Recently, from 24th to 27th of November 2020, the 10th National Science Film Festival has been organized virtually under the chairmanship of Tripura. Actually, it was planned to be organized in March 2020. March 2020, but due to COVID-19 it was postponed and now it has been organized under the chairmanship of Tripura, and this festival called National Science Film Festival is an initiative of Vigyan Prasad and the government of India to promote science films in India. Science filmmaking is not a developed field in India as compared to many other developed countries. This festival is meant to bring attention towards the need of quality science filmmaking in the country. Answer will be option number 3, Tripura. Tripura, this is Tripura. Capital is Agartala. Governor is Ramesh Bais. Chief Minister of Tripura is Biplab Kumar Deo. Its legislature has 60 seats. 2 members are elected to Lok Sabha and 1 member is elected to Rajya Sabha from Tripura. It borders with Bangladesh, Assam and Mizoram, and Gomati and Kowai are the main rivers of Tripura. Next question is, which of the following state government has passed an ordinance to ban unlawful religious conversion for marriage? Answer is option number 4, Uttar Pradesh. Recently, the state government of Uttar Pradesh has passed an ordinance to ban unlawful religious conversions for marriage. Unlawful conversions for the sake of getting married through force, deceit, undue pressure or by any way of alluring into marriage will come into category of non-bailable offence and can lead to imprisonment of a maximum of 10 years and penalty up to 50,000 rupees in Uttar Pradesh. Answer will be option number 4, Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh, look at map. This is Uttar Pradesh. Capital is Lucknow. Governor is Anandiben Patel. CM is Yogi Adityanath. It is the 4th largest state by area in India and 1st by population in India. It borders with Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, Delhi, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Bihar, Jharkhand and Nepal, and Ganga, Yamuna, Betwa, Ken, Chambal, Ghagra, Gomati, Son are the main rivers of Uttar Pradesh. Next question is, which of the following airport will be named as Maryada Purushottam Sriram Airport? Answer is option number 4, Ayodhya Airport. The state government of Uttar Pradesh has approved proposal to rename Ayodhya Airport as Maryada Purushottam Sriram Airport, and this proposal will now be sent to Union Civil Aviation Ministry. Answer will be option number 4, Ayodhya Airport. Next question is, Which of the following day is celebrated as Indian Organ Donation Day? Answer is option number 3, 27th November. Every year, 27th November is celebrated as Indian Organ Donation Day in India by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. And as per WHO Global Observatory on Donation and Transplantation, India ranked third in the world in terms of organ donations. Answer will be option number 3, 27th November. Next question is, India's first moss garden has been set up in which of the following state? Answer is option number 1, Uttarakhand. India's first moss garden has been inaugurated in Nainital district of Uttarakhand by renowned water conservation activist of India, Rajendra Singh, who is also known as Water Man of India, and this garden has been set up for the purpose of conservation of different species of moss and for generating awareness among people regarding the importance of moss in the environment. Answer will be option number 1, Uttarakhand. Now we will quickly revise the questions asked in our last video. Our first question was, which of the following day is celebrated as Constitution Day in India? Answer is option number 2, 26th November. Second question was, who has been recently elected as the new chairman of ICC? Answer is option number 1, Greg Barkley. Third question is, which of the following day is celebrated as National Milk Day? Answer is option number 2, 26th November. Fourth question was, Union Cabinet has approved merger of Lakshmi Vilas Bank with Dash. Answer is DBS Bank. Fifth question was, which of the following country has highest rate of bribery in Asia according to a recent report published by Transparency International? Answer is option number 1, India. Sixth question was, who has been elected as the new Speaker of Bihar Assembly? Answer is Vijay Kumar Sinha. Seventh question was, which of the following state government has launched Him Suraksha Abhiyan recently? Answer is option number 2, Himachal Pradesh. Eighth question was, PNB MetLife India Insurance Company has collaborated with which of the following organization to launch Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana? Answer is India Post Payment Bank. Ninth question was, who has been awarded with Lal Bahadur Shastri National Award 2020 recently? Answer is option number 1, Sudha Murthy. India International Cherry Blossom Festival is associated with which of the following cities? Answer is Shillong. Shillong is the capital of Meghalaya. Now, answer of the question which was asked in last video. Question was, which of the following day is celebrated as World Science Day? Answer is option number 3, 10th November. 10th November is celebrated as World Science Day all over the world. Now today's question, which of the following country has set a target of achieving zero carbon emission by 2050 recently? Options are China, France, Cambodia and Japan. If you know answer of this question, you can write it in the comment section below, or we will discuss the question in the next video.